Hi friends, now we have one motherboard and processor. The board is H610MH Gigabyte motherboard and the processor is i5 12th generation processor. This is the processor, this is the fan, and we have motherboard, Gigabyte motherboard. Now I will show you how to install the processor to the board. Okay, I will show you how to install the processor. First thing what you have to do is simply we need to open the processor. This is the processor, look like this. Okay, remove the cap like this. Before installing the processor, we need to check the notch. Okay, now it's fixed processor. Like this need to fix. And fan, simply we need to press this. Once if it is pressed, it will lock like this. Okay, and then need to put this cable like this. Okay, that's it. Thank you.